Hi, 8th grade. Today is Monday, and today will be our very last section in Chapter 8 of Factoring. So today we're going to be working on 8-7, page 511, and we're going to be doing factoring of special cases. So we're going to be using one of our special formulas. Your gotta check is going to be page 513, number 3A. And then your homework for tonight is on page 515, numbers 24 to 32, and your bell ringer and 3 sentences are page 516, number 61. Okay, let's get going. So today we're looking at factoring special cases, and specifically we're going to be looking at factoring using one of our old formulas. So if I take a look at factoring special cases, the main formula I'm going to be looking at is our old friend that was our conjugate formula. Remember, our conjugate formula was a plus b times a minus b equals a squared minus b squared. Okay, so this was a very special formula, and it was unusual because when we had two binomials multiplied together, instead of getting a trinomial, which we usually do, we get this kind of interesting binomial with two squares. So this is really what we're taking a look at, okay? We have to be able to see this, immediately recognize it, and realize, oh yeah, I've got to go back to this special formula, okay? So let's take a look at an example. So we're going to look at problem 3. And this is on page 513. So my example is I'm going to look at x squared minus 9, okay? So as I look at this, I can see that this falls exactly into this format. X squared, this falls in the A position, okay? So my A is going to be x. And if I look at b squared, 9 is in the b squared position. So this is going to be in the b squared position, okay? What I have to do is I have to really think about, well, what is the square root, or what letters or what numbers for a and b, will give me x squared and 9. So in this case, I'm going to put the x's in first. So I'm going to put the x in the a position. So I have my x's over here. And then as I think about the numbers, okay, what I can see is in order to get 9, I would need 3 squared. So the number that needs to go in the b position is 3. So I'm going to make 1 a plus and 1 a minus. So I'm going to have x plus 3 and x minus 3. Okay. These guys working together will give me x squared minus 9, okay? If you're not sure, okay, you can always check your answer by using FOIL. So if you want to try it, okay, you could FOIL this binomial, okay, and you'll end up getting x squared minus 9. Okay, let's try our gotta check today. This is a nice short one. So our gotta check is on page 513, and we're going to be doing gotta check 3A, which I believe is v squared minus 100. Okay, come back when you're ready and we'll try this together. All right, let's take a look, folks. So I know that I'm going to be factoring a special case, so I'm going to have 2 parentheses. I know that my v squared is in the a squared position, and my 100 is in the b squared position. So let's put in our variables first. Let's put in our plus sign and our minus sign. And then I just have to think about what number squared would give me 100. And of course that is 10, right? Because 10 squared equals 100. So 10 is going to go in my positions here. So my final answer is going to be v plus 10 and v minus 10. Okay, it's time to try homework. So your homework for this evening is page 515, numbers 24 to 32, and page 516, number 61. All right, bye 8th grade. See you later.